Wow, look at that. It's a king size bed right over there. It's really comfortable. A place for you to wash your butt, I think. Hello guys, so it's a beautiful day, a beautiful morning today in Nizhny, Novgorod, Russia. And I'm currently now sitting here in a park next to Cheklovskaya Lesnitsa or Cheklov's stairs. So it's on my left over here, as you can see. And I'm seated here in this platform of sorts. And what you can see is this wonderful view of the Volga River. And on the far, I'm not sure whether you can see, on the far right, all the way straight is a cable car which takes you to Bok. Bok is a place where there are a lot of factories and people work there. Of course, there are still people staying in Bok area, and I've heard that the quality of air there maybe is not very good, but still the cable car ride is very cheap, and it's definitely one thing which you have to do if you visit Nizhny Novgorod. Okay, so this is my intro to the video. So the reason why I am making this video today is because I'm moving apartment, so I want to provide some kind of update. I'll be moving to an apartment in Gargovskaya Ploshad, which is in the city center in Nizhny Novgorod as well. And currently, for the past 1 month, I have been living in an apartment in Ulitsa Minina, which is just next to the Cheklovskaya Lesnitsa. This place, it's a really beautiful place, especially in the summer. And it's also just right next to the Kremlin. I'll be able to show you guys exactly where I've been staying. Yeah, but maybe before I make a video about my apartment, I want to provide some updates as well. So it has been about 1 week since Russia launched this special operation, and where I'm staying is the pink building right in front, and right in front is Ploshad Minina, and then the Bolshaya Pokrovskaya right over there. Okay. Yeah, so the situation in Russia has been a little bit grim, and it can be felt in the classrooms, in the streets. I think what the people have in their minds are the maybe the economic future, if they are not thinking about the safety. And I know a lot of people who have moved out of the city from the dormitories that I was living in more than a month ago, and they have returned to, for example, their Nizhny or to their families. But regarding the economic condition in Russia right now, Russia faces a lot of sanctions, and for me, I'm finding it increasingly hard to find ways I can get liquid cash because of all the sanctions. For example, well, look at this view of the Volga River. For example, I'm no longer able to use my Singaporean bank cards from DBS and UOB to withdraw via the ATM. TransferWise, which is what I've been using to transfer Singapore dollars to rubles, have also stopped their operations in Russia. And finally, my Gemini crypto account, which I store quite a bit of my funds, has been closed, and I'm in the process of negotiating with the Gemini Exchange in order to retrieve some of my crypto funds. But yeah, that is the direct effects of the sanctions. So I just had my breakfast at the nearby KFC, about 2 minutes walk in that direction. So now I'm gonna show you my apartment. I'm standing right in front of it now. So this is the building. So an Ulitsa Minina 2 Korpus, I think Bosim, I think that's how it's pronounced. So let's take a look. First thing we need to do is, I'm given this set of keys when I moved here. It doesn't really look very nice, I mean from the outside, but trust me, it's very nice inside. Hi. I just went out just now. Huh? I went out just now. Oh. For breakfast. I share with 3 other neighbors. There's 2% living right over there, 1% living here, and my room is number 1 because I'm 1. So what we have here are washing machines and a dryer, which is very useful. Then we have a kitchen area. So this kitchen area is where you can sit, see how I look, and a place where you can heat up something on a microwave oven or cook something, or using the electric stove right there. You have water. If you want water, you can just use this. You have an ironing which you can use and put it back after you're done with it. Now let's take a look at my apartment. Okay, so let me just close this first. Switch on the lights. And here is how it looks like. I've started to pack my items already. So you can see that it's pretty empty. I have these 4 sliding panels right here. These where I would hang my winter jacket. Then you have these a lot of storage places right here. You have all these cutleries and glasses if you want, a fridge, put your items inside, and then finally you can put all store more items right over here. It's very useful. Now let's take a look at how the room actually looks like. Wow, look at that, it's a king size bed right over there. It's really comfortable, and you can see I'm packing my items right over there. It's a nice mirror, and you can see the Kremlin right outside the door. I think you may have seen this in some of my videos. Just close this. There's 2 nice chairs, a huge TV. I think the size is more than 45 inches. Is that how is it? Then you have a very nice table. You can use it for studying or just looking outside in the Kremlin. Really nice. Yeah. Very nice chandelier. I really like that. Yeah. Do is you can switch it on. You can switch that light on as well. But I think the most amazing thing about this would be the toilet. Now will you look at that beauty? So you have a bathtub right here and a shower as well, which I can switch on the lights for. Toilet, a place for you to wash your butt, I think. Bathtub, and looks like the Kremlin right outside. This is a $1 million view. Okay, yeah. So that is about the apartment tour in my apartment. I will be showing you guys how my friend's apartment look like. They're paying slightly less than me. Let me just try to switch it off. Yeah, okay, nice. And then we'll be talking about the prices. See you in a bit.